Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hi, so over here we're asked how many of the molecules below contain an sp hybridized carbon. Remember that hybridization is related to the geometry of the molecule, and that sp hybridized carbons are linear. Thus, the possible arrangements are to have a carbon atom with a triple bond or a carbon atom with two double bonds. In this case, the first carbon atom over here the first compound over here corresponds to an sp hybridization of the carbon atom. The one right below over here, we're going to have sp2, sp3, and sp3 carbon atoms. So this one does not contain sp hybridized carbons. Next up, the anion case. It may be a little bit confusing for a lot of students, but in this case, the hybridization is going to correspond also to an sp3. The reason behind it is that the carbanion, essentially a pair of electrons, is going to occupy the same position as you would have in a tetrahedral arrangement. Because of the repulsion of this pair of electrons, we're going to maintain the sp3 hybridization. The same is not going to be true for a carbanion. In this case, the hybridizations correspond to sp3. Let's put all the sp3 carbon atoms. And finally, the carbocation is going to have an sp2 hybridization. This is going to be because of the fact that in this scenario, let me try to make it as planar as possible. This is in a plane. The positive charge comes from the lack of electrons. So the arrangement that lowers the most the repulsion in between the different carbons is going to be a planar arrangement similar to an sp2 hybridization. And with that, it would be all. Thank you very much and have a good one.